popularly known as Punjab Kesari, meaning Lion of Punjab, Lala Lajpat Rai was born on January 28, 1865 in village Dhudike in Moga district of Punjab. His mother Gulabo Devi inculcated strong moral values in him. An intelligent student, Lala Lajpat Rai joined the government college at Lahore in 1880 to study law. While in college, he came in contact with patriots like Lala Hansraj and Pandit Guru Dutt. The three became fast friends and joined the Arya Samaj founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Lala Lajpat Rai was one of the three most prominent Hindu nationalist members of the Indian National Congress. He was part of the Lal Bal Pal trio. The other two members of the trio were Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. Lalaji actively participated in the struggle against partition of Bengal. Along with Surendranath Banerjee, Bipin Chandra Pal and Aurobindo Ghosh, he encouraged the nation in a powerful campaign of Swadeshi. Lalaji was arrested on May 3, 1907 for creating disorder in Rawalpindi. He was put in Mandle jail for 6 months. In April 1914, he had gone to Britain to publicize India's condition to foreign countries, but the First World War broke out and he was stuck there. So he went to USA to arouse support for India and founded the Indian Home League Society of America. There he wrote a book called Young India that harshly accused British rule in India and was banned even before it was published. As the World War ended in 1920, he came back to India. Lala Lajpat Rai led the protests against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, participated in the non-cooperation movement and was arrested several times. He was seriously injured by the police beatings while leading a non-violent protest against the Simon Commission and died within 3 weeks on 17th November 1928. His death anniversary is renowned as Martyrs' Day in India.